I have one of the best tools that you can use while watching Twitch, whether you're a streamer, viewer, or moderator. Hi there, I'm KingDylpickle or Dylan. I am your local yapper and variety game streamer with ADHD, and I'm hella gay. This is something that no one asked for, but I really love, and I honestly could not go without it. This is not a sponsored content, by the way. So the tool that I'm talking about is FrankerFace. If you don't know what FrankerFace is, it is a Google Chrome extension. It can go on Opera, and it is a tool that is used to watch Twitch streams. So on this tool, you can customize so many different things of your viewing experience. Some of the things that I love using is the portrait tool. Whenever I change my Twitch stream over to a portrait monitor, like an up and down, like vertical monitor, it will put the stream on top and the chat on the bottom versus having it all smushed together on the inside. So it's a really nice thing to have the stream like all full screen pretty much. Another feature that I desperately love is we love the tool to set your pronouns on Twitch, but you can't even see them after you set them. But with FrankerFace, you can. There is an add-on where you can view everyone's pronouns as well as your own. It is a beautiful tool because especially if you're a viewer, Twitch streamer, or moderator, you can go and view what people's pronouns are so you know how to refer to them properly. And then my favorite tool, and this is not saying this is the only tool in this whole kit, there's amazing ones, but this is by far the smallest but one of my favorite tools that I use as a streamer, but is so good for moderators and viewers, is the first time message highlighter. This tool allows you to see when someone's first time coming into that stream that day, not just first time message, first time that stream. It is a beautiful tool for me specifically as a streamer and content creator because I can see when someone comes in and I can specifically like make sure I catch them when they come into my stream for the first time that day. Now, the last thing you're asking, wow, this is a great tool. I want this tool. How do I get it? So I have it embedded into my OBS. You do not need a new dock. You don't need anything new. It is actually embedded in the OBS that you have, the native OBS, nothing new. So what you're gonna wanna do, open up OBS, go to settings, go to stream, and make sure your Twitch account is connected. Now, if you just now connected it, it probably popped up a chat box. If you did not have your Twitch account already connected, then go to your docs and it should be a chat under docs. Once you have the chat pulled up, I know we're backtracking, but this really helps. Go to your stream, and then go to the bottom where it says Advanced Options, Twitch Chat Add-ons. Change it to FrankerFace. Click OK, and then go to your chat and click the settings gear right next to the chat button as if you were about to type a Twitch chat message. Switch it to non-mod settings and go to FrankerFace Control Center. When you're in the FrankerFace Control Center, whether you need to make a new account or anything, you'll see this Control Center. And the first place that I would recommend that you go to is to add-ons. And I personally love adding on 7TV emotes because that is all the animated emotes, as well as betterttv. I also turn on Chatterino so I can see Chatterino badges. I turn on first message highlight. This is what it's called. Add-on to highlight the first message of a user during the current session. This is my favorite tool of this entire extension. It is beautiful. It is amazing. I love being able to see when people come into my stream for the first time ever, and I don't get to miss them because it's really important to greet them in. There's also a mod tools. There's also a new account highlighter. There's also pronouns. There are so many add-ons you can do in here, and then as well as just so many customizable features. You can also search for certain things. I talked about how my Twitch streams go to portrait mode. If you go into the settings and you type in portrait and then you go to layout, you can enable portrait mode whenever the Twitch stream detects that it's going into a vertical monitor. It is really wonderful. Something that I do like to turn off, and this is just me personally, I'll go to audio, and I personally turn off the audio compressor. I don't know why, it just sounds funny to me, and it kind of like mutes audios unless like you change it on the little dongle, audio dongle. I just turn it off. I don't really like it. Regardless, there is a bunch of settings in here. Please go play around with them. You can turn on FrankerFace emotes, BTTV, 7TV, pronouns, first highlight message, portrait mode, turn out, like, there's so many settings. I definitely recommend it. Again, this is not sponsored. I just love FrankerFace and definitely recommend many people using it. Hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, DM me. I'm, willing to help out in any ways that I can, but Have a great day. Happy streaming, viewing, lurking, modding, and everything. Hopefully this helped.